Well, to health matters now, the Nigerian Association of Resident Doctors is asking the administration of President Bola Tinubu and governors of states across the country to give priority to healthcare and the implementation of all payments due its members. The association, which has just concluded its ordinary general meeting, says heeding to this call will avert the disruption of health services nationwide. Senior correspondent Jacqueline Ogo reports.
It is not a gathering of traditional or religious leaders. It is the gathering of members of the Nigerian Association of Resident Doctors who have concluded their ordinary general meeting in Lagos State. The association, which had been threatening to embark on strike, has a key demand. It wants the government to stick with the structure of payment agreed on with medical workers and the payment of outstanding allowances. It says it will give the new administration a little more time before deciding on whether or not to embark on strike.
We insist on the demand for at least 200% increment in the consolidated medical salary structure and the associated allowances as contained in our letter to the government dated 7th July 2022. We have resolved to give the new government some time to urgently resolve this matter, which is incidentally at the root of the massive brain drain we are having in the health sector.
The resident doctors say although some state governments are making efforts to upgrade health services, some others need to brace up on improving the hazard allowance and payments from the medical training fund.
We call on governors Adelabu Abiodun of Ogun State, Alex Oti of Abia State, Siminaye Fubara of Rivers State, Sheyi Makinde of Oyo State, and Abdurrahman Abdurazak of Kwara State to urgently look into the situation in the health sector in their states, capable of breaking down the industrial peace in those states.
The association expressed concern about the current increase in petrol price and its biting effect on Nigerians.
We advise the government to ensure that monies saved from the removal of subsidy are judiciously used and put into meaningful investments that will better the lives of all Nigerians. Health and education should be prioritized.
The resident doctors commended President Bola Tinubu on the recent appointments made, describing it as placing square pegs in the right holes. Jacqueline Ogo, TVC News, Lagos.